J appears. So what I say?
When you call police, catching me on my Machiavelli. I never see. I just did this for the body, show me something clean. Hey baby, this your body is a necessity. Hey, I come away meet you for today, I'm about me. When you call police, catching me on my Machiavelli. I never see. I just did this for the body, show me something clean. You got me on fire, baby. I there is your matani. Fast forward to me for jelly, yeah, baby, come wire. Oh, yeah, baby, come wire me. Baby, I there is your matani. My party, Sako to make we jump, bum.
Why?
What I say? This is just the tip of the iceberg. A tip of the whatever.
Never choco. Baby, no good.
What I say? DJ Aquava.
Thanks for having me. My baby.
I know what baby. So be a new song.
Yeah. This home when you are.
What I say? This is family. This is family. Bibi aboko. Who's on here? You may don't boko me hoye pa.
Yeah, Daniel, I see.
Unyumbia solid. The song is solid.
So what I say? Appreciate the love.
Did they be our foreign vocals, me boy? You don't sound home.
Makadada. And it's not intentional.
Me share
that. Me quite son ever.
You may shout different way. I say Pat Thomas. Once Pat Thomas to say, "Oh, yeah, Santino to you in fact."
Yeah.
Also, you're Ghana and to Nigerian way. In Nigerians, they say
we are all one people, one Africa.
Exactly. This song is a beautiful song. This is a new project, necessary.
Yeah, but when you me recent one where Amina.
Amina, recent one. No?
Yeah, me dropping last 6 days ago. Yeah, exactly.
Hey,
all follow. Hey, man. Yeah. We dropping 6 days ago. And me recent song LED to my project. You know, and
the friend Amina. Then I inspire Sardine when you na Felicia on their own.
It's the band say like. Me producer no yeah meet no we a different sound uti a different from their me usually Afrobeats no we a different sound and me feel say on the tape no upcoming projects no I need to have a different sound on the tape what I say and it just happened we just connected and then recorded the song it just by as I say sometimes when I just do music or making music to me back, you know,
like that.
Yeah, like that. But me ni mo be a friend of me not to be honest.
No be a friend of me.
It's
be na me na so baby no be if be a me na no owu ama wo.
Yeah, no dey be pe.
That's when you me na be date.
Yeah, say ni na yeah. Oh, nice quality. Yeah.
Nice,
95.1.
Physically nice and also mentally nice.
Baby are nice. Every aspect. Say my dear is an epic.
Mopeting.
All aspects. This I DJ do make a show.
And then misunderstand sense do film son. When I may be sound. When I am man of the moment, only the man at Konya Bakasa.
Yeah, exactly.
This is how I mean.
Yes, this is I mean nice. All aspects. Yeah.
That's all about tuntum.
Black, white, baby.
Menya white also me at the tuntum.
Say nice we BBI.
Chiremu say girl you have a girlfriend?
No.
Enti chiremu e bia no be ti no peko ne pewa na nti say you're not searching for any girlfriend.
So you just need to come right. We say obi ahun ofe, you know. Yeah, so you just need to come right, you know, beautiful mind, you know what I mean?
How would you know if somebody has a beautiful mind?
Obviously we'll date you know
95.1
from one stage to another and all of that. And me bad life no me so say so only will be one like only good intentions.
Yeah. Yes.
You let the person know. So through the dates, you know, I will feel it's okay. This person is not really, you know, the one for me. You let the person know before it's too late.
Before it's too late.
Yes. Sana.
And you know, be there to say you who say enko baby we know.
Yeah, you know.
So what's the disadvantage?
Yeah.
But I say letting go is difficult for everybody.
Really difficult for me because at the end of the day I waste my time, you waste your time, you know.
So into breaking up with somebody is difficult for you.
Oh no.
Hey, DJ.
It shouldn't be difficult.
She said, "Me no date now. You were having like I said, me pobi. When I say, we send a message."
So, and to me, I say, pet ni be just like that. You know, it's based on something, and you can, discuss with the person. Okay, I don't like this, or I think you are this, that's that. And as time goes on, say there's no change. I mean, yeah, but it's better you have a discussion with the person.
Just don't break up with the person like that.
No, there should be a reason, and it needs to be a good reason. Yeah.
You can say, is a good reason.
They say, they say to meet us now.
Yeah. Now then, any good reason.
Then any good reason to break up with someone. Okay, some people just give some excuses like, let's say, I just don't like you. Like feeling I just at your call for no reason. Like there should be a reason. It's feeling at like echo.
You don't believe say feeling to me cause?
Yeah, no.
We been a cause feeling man to call.
So you should let me know. Yeah, that's the reason. You can't just say,
it makes sense.
You can't just say, I say, you like me, so it's a cause.
Do you believe, said yeah, Uko Probia or Tia say before some dating? Uno be Jaya also Tia Sans and Mojai.
You talk things out, but still on person on Tia said this is the main reason why you person won't break it up with that person. Yeah, we give the person a good reason why, and you've had that conversation with the person so many times that okay, I want you to change this, but you keep doing it. So it say me get fed up. Now me more reason I'm leaving now. To me, say I'm leaving because there's a good reason.
Yeah, but you can't natural.
Yeah.
Sana mi na newo enyo mi no tie de. What is seminar about?
Yeah.
What is Amina about?
Amina is like you kind of like telling your woman that no matter how me than you did, or the reason why I'm so into you, that kind of thing.
Okay.
Yeah. Like so there's no need for you to rush me. I'm giving you like reasons why I feel like I'm into you or I have good intentions for you. So
do people tell people the reasons they're into them? I don't think so.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, you should tell someone why you are into the person.
People don't say it.
And I say, girl, you need to ask why.
Because I just like you.
Hey.
Like,
just like
I don't know. People say, "Any reason me okay." Yeah, I don't have any reason. I just like you. We just have a connection. We just have a vibe.
So that's a reason.
This is a reason.
Yeah, like to like have a vibe with someone. Cause
wait a reason.
Yeah, like cause obiwaha like otuase perfectly. Like or you make a move or some small action be otuase. Like we have people that understand you so well. So it's a good reason.
You have a good bond.
Yeah. So I know correct reason.
Solid reason.
Yeah.
Maybe to try and throw dodo.
Say boys, they're boys. I'm going to be my vibes. It's all good, man. But as a girl, you should know.
You should know the same.
So try to say.
Ubede was trying to throw.
So
how do you know somebody is lying to you? You wouldn't know.
You wouldn't know. Which time you know?
The time no send the say me watch.
With time you surely know. You surely know.
Not too late.
95.1.
Oh, I don't believe there's something like too late in a relationship. Yeah, there's nothing like too late. I hear too late. No, you find out, you tell the person, man. Yeah. I mean, saying this kind of conversation, it's
relationship topics. It's broad. It's broad.
Because two different people coming together is a whole lot. Yeah.
To have the same mindset.
Yeah.
To have the same vision.
Yeah, we are both different.
From different backgrounds.
Yeah, so you take sacrifices. I mean, you need to make sacrifices.
Relationship is about sacrifice. Yeah. You should be able to do something out of your will for the person you are in.
Yeah.
Relationship, it's difficult than maths. It's difficult.
Yeah.
Also, you see school. It's here for a high union 95.1 FM. Mini DJ and a bon komono. This is his new song, right? This is Amina.
I got you for life. You did dance your feelings that boost. Oh my, baby. Me, I like the way you move. Show me my girl, make me.
Amina, this is the new song from DJ. Onti da me boy. It's not your feeling sanity. That is good song. Onti da but tell to me the vibe out. Hey, you hear though? Put me to you be once. So this song is brutal. This is the kind of song. DJ, you know nice.
Yeah.
You know so far. Onyum bia the beba bia. I saw she the nya potre e tro nyum asan wa release on prepare.
No, exactly. And new way. So it's on my project.
Okay.
Maybe release EP.
Okay.
Yeah. So this song is off the project. Me release way off the EP.
Oh, okay.
So
there are a couple of them on the EP.
Yeah.
This is one of them.
Yeah. This is one of them. And I made drop it 6 days ago. Very soon EP no beba. You know. And
how many songs on the EP?
7 songs.
7 songs.
And I will count.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. And our balance is so count.
Pressure.
The account also be next Friday. Yeah.
Me had my next week.
Next week na Starman EP ever drop it.
Starman EP no.
Yeah, Starman EP.
And our friends sir.
Cause me feel say at this point like there's like a whole new level for me, a different dimension, like a new step for me.
Okay.
And that name, I feel like people would relate to the name because they've seen me work over the years. They've seen the improvement and all of that. So
very true.
It makes sense to use the name. And I name I just drop it in my head, and I felt like this name is good. Let me use this name for the team. Starman. You know. Yeah, Starman.
As a senior man for DB. Starman.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Starman EP.
I've always wanted to ask DWP for manager or manager na?
Yeah, Kwawus. So Kwawus is my management, and I all handle DWP. So he's a founder of DWP. I said all different companies. Yes, exactly. So
it's one of his projects.
Yeah, and see me, I'm signed under him. You know. Yeah, so he's my manager. Okay. You know, and I also all handle different. So DWP has like
branches.
Yeah. And yes, DWP is a brand on its own. Yeah.
One of his companies.
Yeah.
And also one of his company.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Different.
Because they be who's only DWP for that's a more like very good connection.
Yeah, we are family.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Yeah.
This is nice.
And our music need has no a movie together.
Yeah, brothers.
So
the same blood.
Yeah.
The same blood. DJ, it has been a very lovely conversation. In fact, your final words.
Okay. So I would say big shouts to everyone supporting the brand DJ. I've got a whole lot coming your way. As I said, my EP is coming next week. It's out now. Do all to stream it on all digital platforms. And the name is Only DJ, ONLY on all social media platforms. Bambidina Kasa DJ, and then DJ. Not D and J, DJAY, DJ. Yeah, thanks for having me. And big shouts to Onua FM. Family for life, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Thank you so much for passing through.
Thanks for having me.
So much.
GH Boy.
95.1 FM. Mama can for FM Cosmetics and from Mao. FM Cosmetics, organic products are online. Your FM flat tummy gummies, and your FM slim tea. It's time to FM weight gain gummies. Utumubia, the Bema will glow in beauty. Put me a distributor for FM Cosmetics.